Hello everyone, I am Adriana Tadic. I am part of the Fire Eagles team, and now we are going to see the application we made. As my partner said before, the application is about plant recognition in a very interesting way, since we use artificial intelligence. A fact about artificial intelligence is that in our application, it is learning to distinguish plants. So it will be very nice for all users to teach it what type of plant it is. And not only that, but it will also show us the care of them. This will cover the SDG for climate action. Well, after this little introduction, let's see how our application works. Once you launch the application, the first thing you will see is the landing page that shows the name of our application, which is Green World. Below, there's a beautiful image that represents our world. And finally, at the bottom, there is a button that says Start Planting. And now we are going to click on it. And it takes us to another page, which is the identification page. On this page, the application recognizes by artificial intelligence what type of plant it is. For example, in this case, it is a cactus plant. And at the bottom, there is a button that says, do you want to plant? And now we are going to click on it. And it takes us to another page, which is where we can see the care of the plant. And if we click on any of the images, a voice explains its care. For example, how much the water the plant needs, how many times we have to water it, etc. And that is our application for now. However, one of the purposes of our project is to encourage people to plant plants and to know how to take care of them, since as you know, it is very important for the planet to have plants, because they provide us oxygen, fruits, etc. And another of the purposes is that we can expand our knowledge about plants. As future improvements, we would like to add that when the application recognizes a plant, it will take us to navigate in Google and show us the characteristics and care that the plant needs. So that's our application. I hope you like it.